Hi guys, in MacBook, if you want to take a screenshot, what you're gonna do? Simple, Command, Shift, and number 4. But what it will do? It will take a specific area only. As I have taken just now, just taken the simple area. Now, if you want to take a screenshot of this whole page, what you're gonna do for that? So for that, we have another application. It's called Shutter. The Shutter gives you the facility to take the scrolling screenshot, and a lot of other facilities also in that application is available. So what we're gonna do is we can just simply download this application, as I've already downloaded it. So we'll see that I'll click on here, download, and then simply download, and then you can just simply download. After that, once you open it, you can just simply put it here. It will ask you, because I already installed it, so you can just simply replace it. You can just simply replace it, and if you don't want, you can do that also. Now if you want to buy, there's a lot of more features are there for a specific amount, but we are not going to buy. We can just use it for the smaller purpose. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take a scrolling screenshot with the help of Shutter. So as you can see, the icon is open over here. We will take a scrolling capture. So for the scrolling capture, what we can do is, as it's giving the facility, is select the area, let's Shutter scroll automatically for you. Don't touch your mouse or press any keys until it stops. So what we can do is, we can just select this particular area and let it scroll. Now as you can see, it is scrolling. Now it's also asking, Shutter is requesting to bypass the system private window picker and direct access to screen. This will allow Shutter to record your screen and system audio, including personal or sensitive information that may be visible to audible. So you want to allow, you can just simply allow it. Now as you can see, the screenshot has already came to me. Now as you can see, it's quite nice and beautiful. What you can see, we can simply press this copy image size. We can just simply zoom it with the help of this, and we can reduce it, we can increase it. You can see that. As you can see, this open system setting, because that dialog was open, so that's not a problem. That once you allow it, it will not keep on coming to you. What also other facilities are there with this is the facility of the settings we have. You can have the settings, and you can select some particular folder where you want to save it. You can change the type of image, and you can length, like screenshot speed, you can increase it, you can decrease it. And you can also, for the launch at the startup, you want to show for the copy or save option, directly it will save option, like that it will also come. Thumbnail is there. If you want to show the editor, you can show the editor. Plus it has a hotkeys, you can define the hotkeys for the same thing. You can also do the uploading. You can have the advanced features as well here, and you can have some specific license, because your tiers are free. So I actually own a little dinosaur, so I put him time the little get purchased. It's just the person is asking to, we support them as financially as they are making this. You can have this kind of different themes. So that's all in this video guys. See you guys in another video. Subscribe for more videos like this, and let me know on which topic you want me to make the next video.